Welcome, beautiful people of YouTube. Welcome to my channel. As you all know or may not know, my name is Nola, and I am here to teach you Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 in under 10 minutes. That's right. Today we're going to learn about some of the hotkeys on the PC and Mac that can help you move proficiently inside the system. So before we go any further, I'm going to need you guys to like and subscribe. And if you can't find what you need here, you can always go to my other videos to find what you need. And remember, if you have any suggestions, tips, or maybe tricks, you can always leave those comments down below in the comment section. So let's get into it. First thing first, let's import some media. This is basically Command I on the Mac and Control I for Windows. Basically, the window will pop up to import your media. It'll go to the media browser, and then you can just click that and drag it over to the track list. The next command will be how to export. This is Control M for Windows and Command M for Mac. And here you can check your bit rates, make sure it's straight, and then click export. So next I'm going to show you how to cut. I'm going to put these two files together so y'all can see. Cut is basically just swiping one big clip out. You know what I'm saying? Taking it out. So basically that's Control X for Windows and Command X for Mac. And as you can see, I took it out with Command Z, undo, and then I brought it back. We're going to do Control X, and then we did Control Z to bring it back. So now that we got that out the way, I want to make this track, a little faster. So the next command I would do would be Control R for Windows and Command R for Mac. It's slow, it's at 50%, but I want to make it go faster now. You see how fast it's going compared to what it was. And if you have a problem with seeing your effects or transitions or whatever, you can always go to the top at Sequence and hit render effects in and out or render in and out so you can actually see what's going on in real time on the track list. I don't know if y'all can see it look like it's going 50% here, but when you speed it up, it's going slower than what it was there. So you can see the difference and you can play with the speed. Next two commands I'm about to show you kind of go hand in hand, and this one is to add a transition to the video. You know what I'm saying? So they're going to give you a basic one with Control D for Mac and Command D. And if you see, I'm stretching it out, you can see that it's an effect at the end, and that's typically a crossfade because that's the default. And that's the same thing as Shift plus D to apply a default transition to your video. Next, we have the cut tool, and it's simple. Um, you can click C on your Mac, you can hit C on your Windows device, and a blade will appear right there, and you can cut. And with these small fine cuts, you can do dramatic effects like flickering, in and outs, dramatic pauses, etc. So I'm deleting these. I'm doing it manually, but is another shortcut for that as well. So I'm in here cutting it up, bam. With a little speed, now you got a dramatic pause. You can tweak it however you want to, it's up to you. We got the cuts of our choice. Everything is done. We export with Command M, and then we're finished. Also, shout out to Pixels for this free stock video.